Alright, what's up everyone? It's the first video of the year, so you know what that means. Just, apparently I can't focus on more than one thing at a time. Sure, let's take that. Let's take a few things. First video of the year, memory sucks. I'm sure some of you by now have noticed. By this point. But so many things. Brain work. Okay, let's just go with that and get out of there. But first video of the year, we know at this point my memory kind of sucks. So as usual, first video of the year, go ahead and leave in the comments things that you want to see for this year. Bust a 20 instead of 21. Well, I guess I'm standing then. It's unfortunate. But go ahead and leave in the comments things that you want to see this year. Things that you want to get help with. God, this is not a good morning to do this. Oh boy. But yeah, you know the deal. Leave your comments down below of things that you want to see throughout the year, and hopefully at some point me and my poor memory come back and check the video for ideas. My brain is not working today. I think it's time to just go straight back to bed. Anyways, this video is weird. Take care, have yourself a good one. Leave your comments of what you want to see down below. And I'll see you guys next week. Maybe by then my brain will be working.